Alright, hello everybody. Hello. Welcome back. We're going to do a small little grocery haul really quickly. So, I got this package of hamburger patties. This is just a small haul. Really small, really quick. Angel Soft toilet paper, paper towels, Hi-C fruit juices, 2 cans of jalapeno ranch style beans, and then I got the seasoned green beans with potatoes, potato chips, Velveeta shells and cheese, bean dip, and cheese dip. I got some mushrooms. I got some Hellmann's real mayonnaise. I got some ranch. 2 bottles of vinegar. I like to use this when I wash, and sometimes I do my floors with it in my kitchen and my bathroom because it really gets the floors clean. V8 original vegetable juice, cherry cokes, and Ozarka spring water. And then I've got some more spring water back there that I got as well. So yeah, it's just a small little haul. Not much, didn't get a whole lot, but I just wanted to share with y'all.
Ba ba